Hello again. So in this last video of this topic, algebraic expressions, we're going to talk about formulae. So what is a formula? A formula is a mathematical relationship or rule expressed in symbols used to solve a problem. So imagine I have this triangle here. The side he is telling me it is A centimeters in length, the side is B centimeters and the side is C centimeters. How can I find perimeter? Let me remind you that perimeter is that you have to walk around the border of a shape, okay? You have to add all the sides together. So if the perimeter is P centimeter, then P equals A plus B plus C. And there you have your first formula. Okay, so the perimeter, which is P, is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, in the formulas, we don't write the units. Okay, so let's work out these two questions. If G is the number of girls in a class and B is the number of boys, write down a formula for the total number T of children in the class. So the total number, which is equal to T, equals, now in a class you can either find girls or boys in this case, okay? So we have to add the number of girls represented by G and the number of boys. And there you have your formula. So T, meaning total number of children, is equal to girls G plus boys B. Okay? So another example, if L meters is the length of a rectangle and B meters is the breadth, write down a formula for P if the perimeter of the rectangle is P meters. So imagine I have a rectangle, okay? The length, he told me it is L, the breadth, it is B. Now I should know that this side of a rectangle is equal to this side, so this side is equal to L. And this is equal to B because this side is the same as this. Okay, so what are we going to do here? We're going to find the perimeter of this rectangle. So P equals L plus B plus L plus B. Okay, now I have noticed that I can collect the same terms because I have L plus L and I have plus B plus B. So I need to collect the same terms. Final answer should be P is equal to 2L plus 2B. Okay, so my formula should be equal to 2L plus 2B. Right, so these are formulae. Okay, so here I have another example. The cost of buying bread is calculated using the following formula. So cost, which is in cents, is equal to 25 times number of bread. Now, what do you think is this 25? This 25 meaning that each bread, one bread, okay, one bread costs how much? It costs 25 cents. 25 cents. Okay, so I have noticed this from my formula given. Now, in order to find the cost of other number of breads, we have to use this formula. So find the cost of buying 2 bread now. So cost, which will be in cents, okay, is equal to 25, which is the 25 cents of one bread, times how many bread we have. And now we have 2. So cost is equal to 50 cents. Okay, so now I have to buy 4 bread, so cost, always using the formula given, is equal to 25 times 4. Now 25 times 4 gives us 100 cents. If he tells you to change this to euros, you know that 100 cents make up 1 euro. Okay? Letter B, how many bread can you buy for 1.25 of the euro? So we know that one bread costs 25 cents. We also know that two bread costs 50. Four bread costs 100 cents. However, if I have 1 euro 25, or in other words 125 cents, how many bread can I buy? I can do this by doing 125 cents division by the cost of one bread. Okay? And I should get 5 bread. Whereas another way to do this is that since you know that 4 bread is equal to 100 cents, okay? If you add another cost of one bread, okay, another 25 cents, you should get 125 cents for the cost of 5 bread. Okay? Final question here. Peter wants to hire a car. The price is shown in the advert below. So here we have an advert. Okay, what does it say? So car hire. You have to pay 50 euro basic fee plus 12 euro per day. So this 50 euro you have to only pay it once, plus 12 euro for every day you are going to hire the car. Now what is he saying here? Using D to represent the number of days, derive a formula from the information given in the advert. So we have to change this advert into a simpler formula. Okay, so imagine I have T representing total cost. Okay, so T is equal to 50, representing that 50 euro basic fee, plus I need to pay another 12 euro per day. Per day meaning times D, which are the number of days. Okay, so T, which is equal to total cost, okay, is equal to 50 plus 12 per day. D, here he told us which it means days. Now calculate the cost of hiring the car for 1 week. Now we know that 1 week consists of 7 days. Okay, so using our formula, T equals 50 plus 12 times D, okay, we're going to substitute D with 7 because we know that we have 7 days now. So 50 plus 12 times 7, okay, according to BIDMAS, we work out the brackets first. So 50 plus 12 times 7. 12 times 7 gives us 7 times 2 is 14, 7, 84. Now 50 plus 84 gives us 134 euro. So the total cost for hiring the car for 7 days, 1 week, okay, is 134 euro. You have to pay 50 euro once for the basic fee and then 12 euro for each day. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you again in the next ones. Thank you.